lab in the packet tracer. So I will take some router. Let's similar lab we will do like we do before. So I will take one router here, one router here. We will take one switch here, one switch here, and I can take some PC here, and we can take some server also here. Okay, and let's do the configuration. I will connect here. Same thing what we done in our previous class. I will do that same thing here, and here to here I will connect. And now what I will do here, I will put the IP address here like 192.168.12.0/24, and here I can give 192.168.1.1/24. Here we can give like 192.168.2.1/24. So anything we can use, and I will rename this router R1 and R2 here. Then after that, what we can say here, whatever IP you want, you can use here like 192.168.1.2, and you can assign this IP inside this machine, and here gateway will be 1.1 here, and here we will go and we will do the same thing here 1.3. I will copy, I will go here, I will go to the here I will put the gateway also. So we are just assigning the IP address. Same thing I will do, but here you will have the 2.2. We can say this is a 2.2. I will copy, I will paste this inside this device, and gateway we need to put as a 2.1 because this side we have the 2.1. Here if you see, this is a 2.1 here, and here we can say 2.3, and I can go, I can assign the IP, and here I can put 2.1 is a gateway. If you do here 2.4, we can put here 2.4, and we can say 2.1. Okay, so these are the services. We can say some server. Here we have the web services. So we are going to see that one. So let's do the configuration. Then we will see what we need to allow or what we need to block. So configuration is simple, as you remember before we do. Same thing we will do. What I will write here, like we will enable the routing protocol in between the router. So let me write here ACL lab, or we are doing the extended ACL lab, we can write here. Then first I will write the R1 configuration. Basic I am doing now. Later we will apply the ACL. First we will assign the IP, enable the routing protocol, like that we will do. Interface F0/0 IP address. I will write here 192.168.1.1. Give space 255.255.255.0. I will write here no shut. Then we have another interface F0/1. Then I will write IP address 192.168.12.1. give space 255.255.255.0, and I will write here no shut. Then if you want to enable routing protocol, we can use router OSPF1, and we will use the interface method to enable the OSPF. Already we know that I will write IP OSPF1 area 0. This one already we know, we done from long time, we are doing this one. So just we are enabling the OSPF under that interface. So we are writing router OSPF1 area 0. So this way we enable the routing protocol, and we do everything here. Let's copy paste and check here. I will write here no, and we will see here when I paste here. Here I write the OSPF spelling mistake, I think. So let me correct OSPF. This is here. Let me correct. We need to write OSPF. Okay. So let me copy this and paste this again. So this one you have problem. So whenever you are pasting, you need to check. Sometime you will have these types of error, typo error. And here this one is good, no issue. So this R1 configuration is finished. Everything is okay here. I will save the configuration. Now let me do the same thing to the R2. So I will copy the R1 configuration. I will paste here, and we are going to modify as per our requirement here. So if you see here, I will write here R2 here, R2 here, and this should be 1 dot. Okay, here we use 1.1. Okay, yeah, so here we can say 2.1, and we need to check here also we use this interface F0 by 0, 2.1, and here F0 by 1 we use 12.2 here, and this one to enable the OSPF. Same thing what we done here. Already we learn how to do the OSPF configuration from long time. So I will copy, I will go to the R2 router, I will paste this configuration inside the R2. If you see here, I will paste here, and we can see everything is good here. And let me save the configuration. After that you can check everything will work. We will have the routes, and you can ping, you can do whatever like web services you want to access from this PC, from this PC. So let's check. I will do here, I will ping first of all 192.168.2.2. I am pinging this machine, then this machine, then this machine. We will verify all are working or not. Then we are going to do some configuration. We are going to block something. So here if I ping here, it is not working. So let's see, maybe we do misconfiguration. We need to check and fix that one again. So here if you see 3 packet drop, after that it is working. So let's see now, because maybe that time routes are not up. Maybe OSPF was still working before, now it is okay, everything is working. This PC can ping this one. So what I will do here, I will do 2.3, and you can see here this one. Let's see here. Yeah, this one is also working. And then we can write here 2.4. You can see this one is also working here. Okay, so this one is also working. Everything is good here, no issue. Now you can check the web services also. You can go to the browser, and this is a web server. So you can write here 192.168.2.3 and press enter. You can see you are able to access the web services, whatever web services you have here. And same thing, you can access this web server also, or if you want to go here, change the modification in the server, open this, go to the services, go to HTTP. You have HTTPS server. This is the index file, edit, and here you can write this is server 1, server 2, something, SRV1. Okay, I will save this. This one I save. Let me do the same thing to this server. I will go here. This is index page. I will write here SRV2. Okay, SRV2 I wrote here, and here also we can write SRV2. I will save this here, and then here also let me edit again. Here in the place of packet tracer I am writing SRV1, just to differentiate, because when we are trying to access from here, if I write 192.168.2.2, you can see what we have here, 2.2. Okay, this one is not a server, this is a computer, that's why you are not getting anything here. So let's see 2.3, this one, you can see this one is a server 1. Okay, you are able to access the server 1, and if you put here 4, you are able to access the server 2 also. Both servers is working. If you put S also, HTTP is also working, HTTPS is also working. Okay, if you put here, so both are working here. This is server 1. Here HTTPS means 443. Without S means port 80. So everything is working here, no issue. Now you need to use the extended ACL. So you need to remember, if you remember, we told whenever we want to do the ACL, if you are doing the standard ACL, then you will apply near to the destination. So this is a destination, here we will do if you are using the standard ACL. Now we are applying the extended ACL. So if you are doing the extended ACL, you will do near to the source. So this is source who is sending the traffic. So near to this one means this is a router which is near to the source. So here we are going to do the configuration. So let's write here what you need to do here. You need to do in the R1. Now you know that you need to do in the R1. Example here, you want to block this PC to access this server HTTP. But this PC can access 443, port number 443, that is HTTPS. And also this PC can ping. Okay, you need to do that. Same thing you can do. This PC can access HTTPS, but he cannot access HTTP, but he can ping. You need to do that one. Okay, so if you want, I can write PC1, that is 192.168.1.2 cannot access HTTP, but he can ping and access HTTPS of server 1. Okay, server 1 and IP address of server 1 is 192.168.2.3. So this is one condition. This is PC1. He cannot access here HTTP, but he can access HTTPS and he can ping. Same thing we can do, but here will be the PC2. So PC2 IP is 1.3. He cannot access the server 2. Server 2 IP is this one. Same thing, he cannot do HTTP, but he can do HTTPS and he can ping. So this one we need to do here. So if you want to do here, what you will do, you will write the same thing. You will write access list. Okay. Then you need to define the number. I will write 100. You can write anything starting from 100 if you remember. Then you will write deny. What you need to deny? You need to write which protocol, or you go here. See here, you go inside this device and you go in the global configuration mode. You will write here access list, and if you press question mark, which one you want to configure? You want to configure the standard or extended? We need to configure extended. So you give the number 100 to 199. I give 100. After that, if I put question mark, what I need to do? I need to deny. So I will write deny. What you need to deny? You can deny EAGRP, you can deny ESP, GRE, ICMP, IP, lot of things you can deny. So they are accessing the web services. You need to deny web services, right? So web services is using the TCP protocol. So we can write TCP, we need to deny. Then if you press question mark for single computer, all computer, or you have range, what you have. So you will say we need to deny for single computer. So he will ask give the IP address of single device. So this device you need to deny. He should not access the server 2, server 1 HTTP. So you are saying access list 100 deny the TCP because the HTTP service is working on the protocol TCP. So you will write TCP and then you will write the IP address of this machine. This one. We are saying deny this to go here. So we need to put again host and this server IP. Because you need to deny only single server. So that's server IP. Okay. And what you need to deny? Equal to, he told port 80, right? HTTP means port 80. So we are saying deny port 80. Port 80 should not accessible. If this guy is trying to access here port 80, it should not work. So this one is finished. And same thing you can do for the other device. Okay. For this machine, you are saying for this machine also, right? So 1.3. But they are saying this machine should not access, HTTP of this machine. So here should be 2.4. And what he should not access? Same thing. If you remember here, he should not access HTTP. HTTP means port 80. So I am putting this machine should not access HTTP. Port 80 HTTP means the other services they can access. So I put here. So we are saying this guy, here if he is accessing this one, port 80 should not work. And this guy, when he is trying to access port 80 of this server, it should not work. Remaining we need to allow. So we will say first you need to deny, then after that you need to allow. So access list 100 permit IP any. This is the syntax. So you created here. Now you need to apply. If you did not apply, then it will not work. You created here, so maybe you need to apply here or here, your wish. So I will say I will apply here. If you want to apply to that interface, write interface whatever you have, and traffic is going from here and here into this router. So you need to remember inbound. So you write IP access group, what is the number 100, and traffic is going in, so you write in. That's all. Okay, and let me put this command here in the notepad. So where we done here, if you see, and then this one you can see here, and then we told allow everyone, because at last it is deny. So you need to put the at last allow, and then you need to apply. So we apply F0 by 0, and what we put here, we put this one. So I will put this in notepad, so later you can revise. Now let's test. We told this machine should not do HTTP of this server. So let's try here. I will close this browser. I will open again the browser. I will try to do HTTP here. So 192.168.2.3 and press enter. If you see, you have here HTTP. HTTP means port 80. HTTP means port 80. So here if you see request timeout, you are unable to access port 80. Only we told block that one. But if you put here HTTPS, that is for port 443, and it is allow. If you write HTTPS, it is working. So whatever we configure here, we told if this computer 1.2, this one 1.2 is trying to access this server at port 80. Port 80 means HTTP. Block that one. Okay, but other than that one, allow. So HTTPS is allow here. And also if you go and ping here, it will work. If you write here ping 192.168.2.3, this one I am pinging. So ping is also working. Ping is working. HTTP is not working. HTTPS is working. So whatever we configure as per that one, it is working. But if you want to access this server 2.4, here if you see HTTP is also working. If you put HTTPS, this is also working. And if you ping, it is also working, because we did not put any restriction. If this machine is trying to access this server, we did not say do anything. So this machine allow everything here. But this machine cannot do the HTTP, but he can do HTTPS. Let's see here. I will go here to this computer and I will say I am trying to access. First let's see this one. This will work, because for the computer 2 we did not put any restriction. For the server 1 you can put HTTP or HTTPS, everything is working here, no problem that one, because we did not told anything for this one. We told 1.3 should not do 2.4 some service, not here. And also if you go here and ping will also work for this one 192.168.2.3. You can see ping is working for this server, and also for this server ping will work. If you see 2.4, ping is working for this server also. But if you go here and write here HTTP for this one, it will not work. So let's see here. I am here inside this PC2 192.168.2.4. You can see this is a port 80 HTTP. It will not work. As per our condition, what we put here, we told if this guy is trying to access, this server on port this one 80 means HTTP deny that one. So you can say request timeout, but if you put HTTPS, it will work. It is working because we did not deny the HTTPS. And if you ping, it is working.